1. A car travels 180 kilometers in 3 hours. Find its speed. A. 90 km/h, B. 30 km/h, C. 60 km/h, D. 40 km/h. To find the speed of the car, use the formula. Speed equals distance at time, given, distance equals 180 km, time equals 3 hours. Speed equals 180 divided by 3. Equals 60 km/h. Answer C. 60 km/h. 2. A bus is moving at a speed of 50 km/h. How far will it travel in 4 hours? A. 500 km. B. 100 km. C. 150 km. D. 200 km. To find the distance, use the formula. Distance equals speed x time. Given, speed equals 50 km/h, time equals 4 hours. Distance equals 50 by 4. Equals 200 km. Answer D. 200 km. 3. What is 25% of 640? A. 170%. B. 180%. C. 160%. D. 140%. To find 25% of 640, use the formula. Percentage value equals 25% divided by 100 x 640 equals for 25 divided by 100 by 640 equals for 0.25 by 640 equals for 160%. Answer C. 160%. 4. Find the next term in the series, 196, 92, 88. A. 84. B. 82. C. 80. D. 86. The given series is 196, 92, 88. Let's analyze the pattern. 100, 4 equals 96, 96, 4 equals 92, 92, 4 equals 88, 88 minus 4 is equal to 84. Answer A. 84. 5. Find the missing number in the series, 2, 4, 8, 16. A. 24. B. 32. C. 20. D. 64. The given series is 2, 4, 8, 16. Let's analyze the pattern. 2x2 equals 4, 4x2 equals 8, 8x2 equals 16, 16 times 2 is equal to 32. Answer B. 32. 6. If a mobile phone is bought for 5,000 rupees and sold at 4,500 rupees, what is the percentage loss? A. 5%. B. 8%. C. 10%. D. 12%. To given data. Step 1. Calculate the loss. Cost price, CP, equals 5,000 rupees. Selling price, SP, equals 4,500 rupees. Loss equals CP, SP. Equals for 5000 to 4500. Equals for 500. Step 2. Calculate the loss percentage. Equals for 500 divided by 5,000 x 100. Equals for 0.1 times 100. Equals for 10%. Answer C. 10%. 7. A trade bought an item for 400 rupees and sold it for 500 rupees. Find the profit percentage. A. 20%. B. 25%. C. 30%. D. 40%. The given data. Cost price, CP, equals Rs.400. Selling price, SP, equals 500 rupees. Step 1. Calculate the profit. Profit equals SP, CP. Equals for 500, 400. Equals for 100. Step 2. Calculate the profit percentage, equals for 100 divided by 400 times 100. Equals for 0.25 times 100. Equals 25%. Answer B. 25%. 8. 12 men can complete a work in 18 days. How many men are required to complete the same work in 9 days? A. 24. B. 20. C. 18. D. 15. Explanation. Total work, 12 men times 18 days. Equals 126 men, days, for 9 days. Required men, equals for 126 divided by 9. Equals for 24 men. Answer A. 24. 9. If 8 men can complete a work in 12 days, how many days will 6 men take to complete the same work? A. 14. B. 16. C. 18. D. 20. Explanation. Total work, 8 men times 12 days. Equals for 96 men, days. For 6 men, required days. Equals for 96 divided by 6. Equals for 16 days. Answer B. 16. 10. A car covers a distance of 240 kilometers in 4 hours. What is its speed? A. 50 km/h, B. 55 km/h, C. 60 km/h, D. 65 km/h. Explanation: speed equals for distance divided by time, dot equals for 240 km divided by 4 hours, dot equals for 60 km/h. Answer C. 60 km/h. 11. A train travels at a speed of 90 km/h. How much time will it take to cover 270 km? A. 2 hours. B. 3 hours. C. 4 hours. D. 5 hours. Explanation: time equals distance divided by speed, dot equals for 270 km divided by 90 km/h equals for 3 hours. Answer B. 3 hours. 12. If table is coded as UTFO. How is chair coded? A. DKCJT.B, DKLU.C, DKCLT.D, DQL. Explanation: let's analyze the pattern in the given work table UTFO. Comparing each letter. T, U plus 1, A, D plus 3, B, F plus 4, L, O plus 3, E, H plus 3. Now, apply the same pattern, plus 1, plus 3, plus 4, plus 3, plus 3, to chair C, D plus 1, H, K plus 3, A, E plus 4, I, L plus 3, R, U plus 3, equals for DKLU. Answer B. DKLU. 13. Solve 15 by 4 divided by 3 plus 6. A. 24. B. 25. C. 26. D. 27. Explanation: use the formula. Equals for 15 by 4 divided by 3 plus 6. Equals for 60 divided by 3 plus 6. Equals for 20 plus 6. Equals for 26. Answer 26. 14. Solve 25 plus 35 divided by 5 by 2. A. 12. B. 14. C. 16. D. 24. Explanation: 25 plus 35 divided by 5 times 2. Equals for 60 divided by 5 times 2. Equals for 12 times 2. Equals for 24. Answer D. 24. 15. 20% of 450 is A. 60. B. 70. C. 80. D. 90. Explanation: to find 20% of 450, use the formula percentage value percentage divided by 100 times total value equals for 20 divided by 100 times 450 equals for 0.2 times 450 equals for 90. Answer D. 90. 16. A man spends 30% of 5,000 Indian rupees. How much does he spend? A. 1500. B. 1000. C. 2000. D. 2,500 Indian rupees. Explanation: to find 30% of 5,000, use the formula amount spent equals for 30 divided by 100 times 5,000. Equals for 0.3 times 5,000. Equals for 1,500. Answer A. 1,500 Indian rupees.